Good morning, Theodore Roosevelt High School. These are your more announcements for Tuesday, April 16th, 2024. Congratulations to the track team on their win over Cuyahoga Falls last week. The following students earned first place finishes. Come support these Rough Rider runners in our next home meet on May 1st. Entry is free to all students. Spring is here, which means election season is beginning. That's right, it's time to begin Theodore Roosevelt High School's Spring Elections 2024 process. If you are interested in running to be a class officer, student council president, or student council representative, join the Student Council 2023-2024 Google Classroom today. All information, forms, and deadlines are shared in that Google Classroom. Attention all students interested in trying out for the 2024-2025 cheer team. Cheer clinics will be held today, tomorrow, and Thursday from 3 to 5 p.m. Tryouts are Friday, April 19th in the auxiliary gym. Hey riders, it's time to announce this week's PBIS ride winners. Congratulations to today's winners. Remus Algbali, Kane Fall, Amanda Brind, Brielle Hornbeck, and staff member Mr. Haar. Ride with Pride, Rough Riders. Congratulations to the Academic Challenge team on their successful second place finish on Saturday at regionals held at Copley High School. The team will compete at the state level on May 4th. These have been your morning announcements for Tuesday, April 16th, 2024. Have a Tulip Tuesday, Roosevelt.